Praised by Elevation Worship was recently named Song of the Year, and my cover of that song is one of the most viewed videos on my channel, so I wanted to give a little bit of background on that and demonstrate that preset on a few different guitars. Before I got into creating that preset, I did a little bit of research. Michael Westbrook was teching with the band a while back and did a video where he covered their live rig. He went over their amps and some different things, and it's a very insightful video, so if you want to check that out, there's a link in the description box below. The amps they're using are, Joey is running a Jackson Ampworks Vox-styled amp paired with a 65 amps deluxe reverb style amp, and E was running a PRS J-Mod, which is a Dumble style amp with a Fender Bandmaster, and that one's kind of in the vein of like Twin Reverb, Super Reverb, Vibrolux. There's speaker differences, there's some technical differences on the inside, different wattages, but there's a similarity that they all have. I decided to build this one around the US Double Vibe and pair it with a 4x10 cab to mimic a 71 Super Reverb that I own. I thought it would be fun to put my amp in the stomp. The signal chain on this one is the Deluxe Comp with just a slight bit of compression into the analog chorus, into an heir apparent with medium overdrive, into the US Double Vibe amp, into the 4x10 cab, into the transistor tape delay, into the dynamic plate reverb. I chose that one because it has a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of sparkle, and I felt like it added something to the song. And then of course we're capping it off with a simple EQ pushing that holy mid-range. Snapshot 1 is a great rock tone with just a slight bit of reverb and delay, and sounds like this. Snapshot 2. And snapshot 3 going into snapshot 2. All right, let's hear it on a Gretsch. Snapshot 1. Snapshot 2. And snapshot 3 going into snapshot 2. All right, let's hear it on the Les Paul. Snapshot 1. Snapshot 2. And snapshot 3 going into snapshot 2. I hope you found that helpful. And what's your preference? Do you tend to play the same guitar every week or do you mix things up? Personally, I play that Tele Deluxe most Sundays. All right, if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. Hit that like button for good measure. I hope you have a great week and I'll see you in the next one.